Hi guys,
Hello.
welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be preparing a health elixir, the Jamu Kunyit Assam, which is a medicinal drink that was drunk from ages before in Indonesia. So we are now just going to take the turmeric straight from our garden which we planted just underneath our window. You can see Evelina is going to pluck it for us.
That's more than enough. Straight from the soil. Here is everything we need, which is our turmeric, which we washed already. We have a little bit of lime, 500 milliliters of water, honey, and salt. So we just clean our turmeric. I shave it a little bit, just kind of scratching onto it, as you can see. Then all the skin comes out.
And we have also cut one lime into two. You can just use half a lime for two people, or you can use the full lime as well. So I'm just going to squeeze it into the water that we've got here. So we've got about 500 ml of water, so that's enough for 2 cups for both Evelina and me.
Jamu has anti-inflammatory properties, is excellent to detoxify the body, to boost our metabolism. So how you would usually drink it, it would be on an empty stomach as the first thing in the morning in order to detoxify and to boost your immunity.
Jamu and turmeric especially has many anti-inflammatory properties. So if you're struggling with infections, parasites, gut issues with the bacteria and so on, Jamu is a great antidote.
And that's it. Now I already cut the turmeric. Let me show you how it looks. My hands are super orange. So if you have some nicely looking nails, you don't want to maybe touch it straight away. You could use some gloves. And yeah, then I'm just putting it into this lukewarm water. So we like our jamu when it's a little warm. It just feels really good when it's landing in the belly if it's not too cold.
We are also going to add a dash of salt. So just really little bit of salt, just a pinch,
Let's take the camera to show how much.
a pinch of salt.
And tiny bit of honey. Just 1 tablespoon of honey. And that's it.
And now we're going to blend together our mixture. We have a little bit, three stalks of turmeric, we have a little bit of salt, a spoon of honey, and lemon as well. So we have a handheld blender at home. We don't have a proper blender. So we're just going to use this, and I'm going to start blending it. So now you can see this nice consistency, this nice color, orange color. I hope you can see it. And now the last step is that we're going to strain the jamu before we drink it, as there's a lot of fiber from the roots, so we just strain that out.
Full cups. Yummy. And that's it. Ready.
Cheers to your good health.
Cheers.
Make sure you drink the jamu every single day for the best benefits. Usually you start to feel the real benefits to your digestion about 2 to 3 weeks after consuming it daily.
And remember, it's an excellent thing whenever your immunity is down or whenever your digestive system doesn't work too well. This is something that could definitely be a part of your everyday routine. You may adjust the amount of honey or lemon or salt as much as you need. We make quite gentle variation, but if you like it a little more sweet or a little more sour, you can just add a little bit more of the other stuff. Cheers!
Cheers! If you like this video, do give it a like, do comment, and do subscribe to our channel.